You'll have love at first sight with the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.